My name is Pravalika Das. The sport I play is swimming, and before joining IIT, I had done 4 years of competitive swimming where I earned 5 national level medals. That was 1 gold, 1 silver, 3 bronze medals, and have broken state level records and district level records, and won many state level and district level championships also. After joining IIT, I have won 15 gold medals in inter IIT and have broken the records around 17 times. So yes, I always did swimming because I liked it and had an intrinsic desire to continue it. So medals and victories were just a byproduct or a result of that love for me, and never my goal. So, and as I always say that unless you have an internal desire to do something, you can never succeed in it.
I was in athletics since second year, and in my second year, my inter was not that good. I was 7th out of 15 members, so I got motivation from that, and in the next inter that is in my third year, I made it to the podium. It's all about time management. If you're able to manage your time well, you can take care of sports as well as your academics. And it's all about passion. If you like something, you'll definitely do it, and you'll find time for it.
Hi, I'm Sanjana. For the competitions, physically I train consistently under the guidance of my seniors and my coach. The team bonding and the encouragement drives me to push myself harder and give my best each time. As of mentally, I try to visualize the race scenarios before the competitions. Sports is my dreams. It helps me to tackle the off-track hurdles and it tries to make me calm in the most stressful situations in everyday life.
That it's never too late to do sports, and not only sports, anything also. It's never too late. Just be patient, never don't fear to make mistakes, and focus on your progress, not perfection. By the time you can get it.
Feel that girls should take up a sport in life because it has really empowered me and helped me grow personally. The reason being, it has made me physically and mentally stronger, and it has increased or it has influenced the way I look at things. It has made my decision making skills better.
My journey as a tennis player started way back when I was in 8th class. Then I continued for 1 month or so and I left it due to some reasons. Then I again continued playing when I came here at IIT KGP. It all started with NSO tennis, and then I continued practicing day in and out for 6 long months because it was COVID. Then I realized that I'm simply practicing and not playing any matches or tournaments. So I'm not testing my full potential. So basically, when I played my first GC match, then I realized that when you play the match, it doesn't matter whether you lose or whether you win. It all matters at the end that what you get to learn from those matches. So when you lose, then you learn from your mistakes, and when you win, then you get to know what is your full potential and what strategies you can think on spot to defeat your opponent. So I think practicing as well as playing matches is what you get to know your sports better.
Hello. My name is Kanika Guleria. I am a fourth year undergraduate and I have been the captain for the women's squash team at Inter IT. And I handle pressure during games by just talking to my fellow teammates and just surrounding myself with people who would distract me before the game. And during the game, I tend to focus on the next point instead of thinking about the bigger, like winning the game. And I just make short term goals that help and focus on achieving them and not think about the bigger picture. That's how I handle pressure during the games.
There are a lot of facilities here, and there are a lot of workshops, especially targeted for newcomers who are complete beginners who have never tried the sport before. So and there's a good mix of people who are experienced and people who aren't so experienced.
Should get into sports in general, and this is something that is like not emphasized on enough because like girls don't usually have as many opportunities to be able to play sports as guys do. But like KGP is like a pretty good place in the regard that you do get like exposure to like a lot of sports, and even if you're someone who's like never been in any sport, or if you only played one sport your entire life but you want to get into something else, so here like you can find like-minded people who are willing to do the same, or if not you can like just make friends and make sure that you push them into like doing these things that are going to be good for you as well as them. It's a great place to make friends. It's like a great place to bond as a team, and like you like end up meeting the best people and making the best memories.
I think that sports is a good way to make new friends and break from the monotonous life of classes and study after that. In another sense, it's also important for women to maintain their health, and this is a very fun way to do this.
So, what keeps you guys motivated and consistent?
The bonding between the players here makes me to come to court daily, and the urge to win gold in inter-IT also motivates me to come to the court daily.
And how has this sport empowered you, and how has it helped in your growth?
Okay, so like coming here for 1 to 2 hours every day helps us like maintain discipline, and like it empowers both physically and mentally. So it helps in overall growth.
Okay. And how do you manage your academics and the sports?
So like people often ask me like how do I manage sports and academics? So like I don't take like sports as a task. I take it like after the whole stressful day of academic load and things. So like I can take out some time apart from spending it on social media and doing random stuff to come to court and practice. Like no, to me it's like 2 hours or 3 hours. I can come for half an hour. So it helps me. It helps in my mental peace after the whole stressful day. So that's how I prefer managing sports and academics.
So, sometimes people might not come because they think it's too late to start. What are your views on that?
Personally, I believe it's never too late to start any sport. As someone who started basketball a little later than the other people, you'll be surprised by how quickly you pick up the sport, and most importantly, how much fun you have along the way.
Okay. And any concluding statement for the girls who are watching this?
For the girls watching this video, I would like to say that sports gives us the energy, the stamina that we all need to travel alone to be independent. So, exercising and sports, playing sports gives us confidence to be independent.
I started playing volleyball since my 6th standard. So, as a hobby, it has helped me in very lot of things. One of which is keeping a patience, like your team keeps struggling and keep up the spirit even if you are about to win or lose by a single point. Apart from that, you learn to accept both victory and defeat, which is actually one of the important part of the sportsmanship. Apart from that, I don't think that most of us which are choosing IIT and corporate life as their career will get to experience this unique experience of inter-IIT in their whole life. So better you should not miss this opportunity, and even if you are not getting this opportunity of experiencing an inter-IIT, you can play a sport as a fitness to release your stress.
I was introduced to volleyball during my school time. Till now, it has always been a source of enjoyment and energy. While playing any sport, odds are always not in your favor. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But what truly matters is the sportsman spirit, and this mindset always motivates me to put efforts despite of results.
Sports has always been a part of my life since my childhood. And what I feel is like everyone opt at least one sports in their life, because apart from just keeping you fit, it also helps you to maintain some discipline, teaches teamwork and resilience. So what I feel like you can opt any sports, either it's running, swimming, basketball, or in my case it's volleyball and chess. So you can opt for any sports and go for it, work hard for it.
Playing sports has taught me a lot about discipline. It has helped me learn to showing up on time, working hard and staying focused. I believe that sports can make anyone grow as a person in their life.
You need to try a sport and see if you like it, and if you do end up enjoying it or liking it, then do it every day. That's how you become good in a sport. and many of my seniors who have actually come to IIT and then joined a sport, and they got a chance to represent IIT Kharagpur in many of the competitions. So if you think that you're a complete novice or a beginner in the sport and that you can never achieve, never get to go in a competition, that's entirely not true. So just don't stress, do it for love. Firstly, your name and your study.
My name is Kosha Lele. I'm a fourth year undergraduate of the Department of Electronics and Electrical Communication.
Which sports are you playing and for how long?
I am from the sport of badminton and I've been playing it since my school days.
So how do you stay motivated and this consistent in this sport?
So I have been playing since my school days. So it's basically my love for the sport which has developed over time. As well as when I came here, I was handed down a legacy that Kharagpur is one of the most competitive and fiercely electrifying environments to have in the inter-IIT. So to continue that legacy and to see other juniors, other seniors coming every day, that keeps me motivated.
So you just mentioned inter-IIT, how was your experience?
I went for my first inter-IIT in my second year. So honestly, I did not have a lot of expectations because like a lot of people, I had this expectation that nerds came to play, but that was not the case. I saw that there were a lot of people like me who had given up on sports in high school, like in 9th or 10th, and they had gotten that chance to play again. So there was so much competition, there was this strive to win. So even though you can't compare it to a national level tournament, but the atmosphere there, the competitiveness, the eagerness to win at any cost, be it on court, off court, was really amazing. And that is how I decided to go for an inter-IIT every year till I graduate.
So how has this sport empowered you and helped you in your growth?
So it doesn't matter if it's badminton or if it's any other sport. What sport actually does is it makes you disciplined, it makes you strong. So once you are into a sport, you are not just into it during the time you are playing. It's about what you eat, it's about what your schedule is, it's about how you manage your time, and it requires commitment. It's not like societies or clubs where you have workshops, you have competition. It's that you have to show up every day, and that is the only way you can learn. So that makes me a lot more disciplined, a lot more sharp, as I have to study when I have to study, and that way I can explore more things, which is contrary, because now that I have my time managed out, I actually have a lot of time at my hand.
So sometimes students might not come because they're choosing the society helps with networking. Has sports helped you in that, in the networking?
So choosing societies or sports, I feel, is a personal choice. There is nothing I hold against that. But when it comes to networking, there is no barrier if you enter sports. It is like the people who come into sports are from diverse career choices as well. Like I have seniors who went for core research or went for research abroad or went into software development, and it's not like you'll miss out on some kind of people, but at the same time, yeah, you may miss out on hanging out at Tikka or VS or getting to parties, but that is a personal choice you have to make. But in terms of networking, there is a lot of seniors that are available.
So how do you manage your academics and sports?
It's mostly about the inter-IIT SEM, where it gets a lot more hectic. So during this semester, if you plan to come to an inter-IIT, you have to have only two priorities. It's your academics and your sports. So if you plan your day accordingly, like in the mornings you'll have practice, and then you'll have the full day to study, and then in the evening you'll have practice, and then at night you can study a bit more. But if you make it about missing out on stuff, then you won't be able to come to an inter-IIT.
And any advice would you want to give students who are, thinking it's too late to start the sport?
So I feel a lot of people think that it's a bit shameful to be a beginner in your 20s. So that is not the case. Like when we worked hard for JEE, we didn't just work hard for a job. we worked hard to come to this campus, and there are so many facilities available that it would be a shame if you don't use it just because you hesitated. And sports will require commitment, it will require you to come every day. But if you come right now, you won't have to do it when you get out of here.